A Damascus knife is made from Damascus steel and is any hunter's companion. The process of creating these knives distinguishes them from other knives. These knives have a wavy mottled pattern running through the blade. This process of making Damascus knives is for aesthetic reasons. Folding and refolding don't even out any impurities in the metal. In this video, we will recommend you the 7 best outdoor recliners. We created this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. So, you can easily decide which is best for you. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below. Number 7. Zelite Infiniti 8-inch Damascus Chef Knife. The Zelite Infiniti 8-inch Damascus Chef Knife is almost a dead ringer for the Dalstrong featured above, minus the hammered finish. Its quality looks good, but these knives take longer to state their durability and longevity. It features a 12-degree Damascus steel blade edge, so slicing meat, chicken, steak, and sushi/sashimi feels like slicing butter. This full-tang, double-bevel knife was finished using the traditional 3-step FODCOKI method. This chef knife is sharp, robust, and comfortable and comes in a beautiful Damascus pattern. The Damascus steel chef knife is made from AUS 10 high-quality Japanese steel. It is an authentic Japanese Damascus knife with elegant knife art. This 8-inch Giotto chef knife is incredibly versatile for cutting meat and vegetables or even as a sushi knife, and it's your perfect all-rounder. Number 6. Dalstrong 8-inch Shogun Series Elite Chef Knife. The Dalstrong 8-inch Shogun Series Elite Chef Knife is made with a ruthlessly sharp blade hand finished to a mirror polish at 8 to 12 degrees using the traditional 3-step FODCOKI method. It nitrogen-cooled for enhanced hardness, flexibility, and corrosion resistance. Full tang and triple riveted. It has extraordinary performance and edge retention. Dalstrong's stunning Tsunami Rose Genuine Damascus 67 layers of premium high-carbon stainless steel cleans easily. Its ultra-premium G10 handle is military-grade with lifelong durability. This knife is made of super-hard high-carbon steel, which means it's also more brittle than softer steel. It is carefully hand-polished, and the ergonomic handle shape is engineered for superior hand control, agility, and comfort. Hand-polished blade spine is for smooth handling. Number 5. NANFANG Brothers Knife Set. The NANFANG Brothers Knife Set is crafted with VG10 steel core 67 layers of superior Damascus steel blades for precision and accuracy. HRC 60 ±2 hardness for exceptional sharpness and edge retention. This curved design handle provides comfort and support. Its integrated blade and shank design are not easy to break, safe and durable. Its handle is triple riveted for outstanding durability. It ensures long-lasting performance and is easy to clean. You can save a lot of time on cleaning. Its wooden block part is made of durable natural oak, and the open knife seat is easier to insert and remove, safe and sanitary. The 13-inch length is ideal for work on various knife shapes and sizes. It cuts raw meat, scrapes fish scales, chopping up herbs. The block includes rubber feet for stability. Number 4. Dalstrong 6-inch Shogun Series Elite Fillet Knife. The Dalstrong 6-inch Shogun Series Elite Fillet Knife is a ruthlessly sharp scalpel-like edge that is hand-finished within a staggering 8-12 degree angle per side. Nitrogen-cooled for enhanced hardness, flexibility, and corrosion resistance. Its narrow blade curves towards the tip to efficiently work around the bone, joints, and in between skin with minimal drag. It is made with ultra-sharp AUS 10V Japanese super steel cutting core at 62+ Rockwell hardness for extraordinary performance and edge retention. Its 66 layers of premium high-carbon stainless steel for exceptional strength, durability, and stain resistance. It is perfectly balanced. The precisely tapered blade minimizes surface resistance, while the 2.00 mm thick blade provides just enough flex to follow any contours. Its ultra-premium G10 handle is impervious to heat, cold, and moisture. It has military grade with lifelong durability. Number 3. Zite Infiniti 7-inch Santoka knife. The Zite Infiniti 7-inch Santoka knife is the ultimate workhorse of Zelite's Alpha Royal Japanese Knives series. It leads the pack of Damascus kitchen knives because it balances versatility and endurance. It has dimpling on both sides, preventing food from sticking and reducing drag as you cut. The cuts are, therefore, neater and more accurate. This 67-layer AUS-10 Damascus steel chef knife is tough, corrosion-resistant, and durable. It will grant you many years of service. You can alternate between the rocking motion and moving this chef knife up and down because the cutting edge can simultaneously be on the cutting board. You can use the sheep's foot blade with a straight edge to chop, mince, or dice with minimal effort. It is ergonomically designed rounded handles to ensure a secure and comfortable grip. Number 2. Inovo Damascus Knife Set. The Inovo Damascus Knife Set includes an 8 chef knife, 7 Santoka knife, and a 4.5 utility knife, containing the basic parts every family need in the kitchen and can handle your daily cooking tasks easily and efficiently. Damascus Chef Knife Set is expertly crafted from 67 layers VG10 Japanese high-carbon stainless steel. The cryogenic treatment forging giving Inovo knives an incredible Rockwell hardness 60 HRC plus or minus 2 HRC. The pure manual V-shaped cutting edge 11-degree let sharpness reach super grade 6 to 8 N, which means you get sharpness, edge retention plus stain and rust resistance so you can cutting effortlessly and tackle all your kitchen tasks with ease. Beautiful Damascus rose pattern on Inovo cutlery set blade and hand-polished mirror surface, as well as the clad dimples on our Santoka knife not only showcases the stunning craftsmanship but strikingly help to reduce drag and stuck on food, ensuring the best flavor of food. Number 1. FODCOKI Chef Knife 8-inch Damascus Kitchen Knife. The FODCOKI Chef Knife 8-inch Damascus Kitchen Knife made of Damascus stainless steel with ultra-sharp cutting core VG10, a premium material used in high-end kitchen knives. Forging 67 layers with high-carbon steel and VG10 into a single piece, that the 8-inch Damascus steel knife combines various metal best characteristics. Through low-temperature cold pressing and quenching refining, the Rockwell hardness reaches 60 plus or minus 2 HRC, which means the professional Damascus kitchen knife get better hardness, sharpness, edge retention, durability, stain and rust resistance than high-carbon steel knives. Each Japanese chef knife is forged 67 times to form a natural unique texture, finally is polished, and the angle of blade edge sharpened to 13 to 15 degrees by craftsmen to make the Asian Juto knife have razor-sharp performance. Packed in exquisite box, FODCOKI Damascus cooking knife is a best-selected gift for families and friends. Can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.